Every crash tells a story, not just of what went wrong, but of what we can learn. These are real riders, real mistakes, and real moments that remind us why we ride smart. Let's dive in. Crash 1. 5 months in, first fall, first lesson.
Slide.
You never forget your first crash. This rider had 5 clean months under his belt, until the front tire slipped on a patch of wet clay after veering off-road. Nothing dramatic, but a reminder. The road surface is not always your friend. Every terrain talks to your tires. Are you listening? Any veterans in the comments? Drop your wisdom for the rookies. Let's help each other out. Crash 2. The sudden stop. Watch this carefully. The front rider stops dead in the middle of the road. The rider behind, no time to react. Boom. This isn't just about braking. It's about positioning, distance, and awareness. Always ride like the person ahead of you might do something unpredictable, because they will. Crash 3. Too fast, too focused.
Nag-overshoot ako. Dulo.
Here we have an H2 rider, and if you know, you know. These bikes are beasts. But even beasts fall. It looks like a case of target fixation, or maybe just nerves. Remember, your bike follows your eyes. If you stare at the tree, you hit the tree. Stay loose, look through the turn. Trust your training. Crash 4. A tragedy and a reaction. This one's hard to watch. A child walks into the street. The rider hits him, and it seems like there was no time to avoid it. But what really shocks is the father's reaction after. We'll blur it out, but it's heavy. This isn't just a riding lesson, it's a human one. Always expect the unexpected. And drivers, walkers, parents, we all share these roads. Crash 5. The miscalculated U-turn. U-turns look easy, until they aren't. This rider was going slow, trying to flip on a narrow road. but didn't realize the surface was slippery clay. Front tire slips, rider drops. Simple mistake, but a reminder that planning your moves includes checking where you're standing, not just what you're doing. Crash 6. The eyes lie again. Target fixation strikes again. Different rider, same story. Your body goes where your brain tells it, and your brain follows your eyes. Practice those mental reflexes like you practice your throttle hand. Control your vision, and you control the bike. Crash 7. I didn't see you. The driver said he used blinkers, checked mirrors, everything, but still didn't see the rider. This is why we say it over and over. As a motorcyclist, ride like you're invisible. Because to a lot of people, you are. Defensive riding isn't a style, it's a survival skill. Crash 8. Gear is gold. This rider said it straight. His helmet saved his life. End of story. No drama, no debate. If you're riding without protection because it's hot or just a short trip, remember this clip. Gear isn't for style, it's for survival. Invest in it like your life depends on it, because it does. Crash 9. 1 second. One second. That's all it took. A moment's distraction, and this rider rear-ended the bike ahead of him. Just 1 second. Riding demands focus. Every blink, every glance away, every thought not about the road is a risk. Be present. Every second counts. Crashes hurt, but if we're lucky, they don't end us. They teach us. And when we share them, we keep others from making the same mistake. Ride safe, ride smart. And if you've got your own story, let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.